Welcome to day 22 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. For today's Baby Step Challenge, we're going to do something that has been a total game changer. In the afternoon, we're going to start our dinner. So think about what's for dinner and start making the necessary preparations to begin your dinner. Not at dinner time, but during a lull in the afternoon. Let's be real, mornings are super duper busy and dinner time is a close second. So if we begin to start our dinners in the afternoon, it would not only give us a head start, but a more peaceful evening as well. So today and moving forward, be sure to start your dinner in the afternoon if your schedule permits. And if it doesn't, then work on your schedule. Start it the night before, start it in the morning, whatever you have to do. Things like chopping veggies, cooking your meat, whatever things you can do to make your next dinner easier. And let's not forget our habits, which in the mornings have been dressing to shoes, making our bed, doing a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a cleaning mission, a 15-minute email declutter. We've also been making our beds, starting a load of laundry, and checking our control journals. And in the afternoons, we're also going to check our control journals to make sure we're keeping on top of these habits. We can do a 15-minute declutter sessions in our zones if we haven't done it in the morning. Also be sure to get in a 15-minute rest. And in the evening, let's be sure we are shining our sink, picking out our clothes the night before, checking our calendars and our control journals, and getting to bed on time. All day we have been saying kind words to ourselves and slowing down and being intentional. I'll see you tomorrow for day 23 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.